Yo guys, what is welcome back to another video guys. Today we have got an unboxing for Supreme Fall Winter 24 week 1. Yes, we finally got it. If you saw the live cop, then you know we copped a bunch of items, which is sick. I was very happy. Unfortunately though, here in the UK we had some cancellations. So unfortunately I lost 2 of those items. Which were the Terra Patrick skate deck, which was kind of annoying. We also lost out on one of the black yoke jerseys, which I ain't really too disappointed in, but whenever you get cancellations from Supreme, they automatically restock those same items as you get cancelled. So I could have got the Terra Patrick skate deck, but I was like, I had to first. But anyway, we still got a bunch of stuff, so let's check it out and let's see what we got. I won't be second because it's like in this room, so I will say this, you probably can't see it, but I will show you this. The first item, the big tote bag. Now, I've actually got all the items in the tote bag, so I really like it. I'm actually going to keep this because I think this is actually a really sick item. I mean, it's crazy that it's actually still in stock in the UK. I'm not sure about America, if it's in stock or not, but it's a large bag. And it's on wheels as well, so it's going to be really good for, like, you know, doing unboxings and stuff. So we'll do, like, you know, picking stuff from the bag. I'm not even sure if you can see it. We'll start off with getting our first piece. We've got, these are the S logo jerseys. So I did hit on 2 of these. We got 2 black ones. I'll be in the center here. We got 2 black ones and an extra large. I was running for camo as well, but we didn't hit any camos. We only got the black ones, and I think the camo ones are the ones that the camo ones are like reselling like way more. So yeah, and even I said the camo one was going to be the one to go for, but for some reason I kind of went with for black colorway as well. It's just like a, you know, who knows, black might actually do pretty well because it's, you know, easily wearable. Let's take a look what we got. This is the second one. It is the same item. I'm not sure about those jerseys. I don't know if people are actually fucking with them. Then we've got the yoke one. I actually really like this. I and I don't know if I want to keep it or not. I really like the design. So, and I think the colors actually stand out pretty nice. So this might be a keeper for me, but I'm trying to also think, do I really need to keep it? I've got a bunch of stuff that I haven't even worn yet. Some amazing Magella stuff that I've bought, I haven't even worn it yet, like the t-shirt. I think that's it. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I've got in my wardrobe that I just haven't worn. And it's like, do I really need another t-shirt? Probably not. I don't know if you can see, but behind me we have, I'm sure you've seen them, we got the freebies. The Supreme hanging rail. I forgot what we call them. My brain is completely fucked up, you know, to hang your clothes. Hangers. Yeah, just hangers, yeah. What else we got? I'm not sure what's in here, but I feel like there's a hanger in here. These are the ones I haven't opened. Oh, I also, I also got the long sleeve studded, but I've actually slowed that. I didn't actually get a copy in the initial drop, but I did hit a restock. And I didn't realize how most people were going for them because they actually sold out within like less than a minute, which was kind of crazy. I was thinking to myself, like, who's going to pay 115 quid for a long sleeve with jewels on it? I just didn't see them. I didn't see the potential. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised that actually resold. They're actually going for more than what I sold for, but I'm not really too fussed because I didn't really do anything. I clicked a few buttons, I hit a restock, and it shipped. So yeah, I'll take the free money. So yeah. And we got another hanger. Oh, titty hanger. Lovely hanger. We love our customers. Alright, we got the track jacket. It's so hard to hold this with this at the same time. I know I could attach it, but it doesn't. When I'm doing the editing, it sounds so muffled when it's down here in comparison to like here. So it's so fucking annoying. But yeah, we got it. Look how cool this is. Now, I know this actually sat forever in the UK. I'm not sure about America. I think these actually sold out pretty quick in America. I actually like the feel of it. Supreme on the back. It is actually suplex. I'm not sure what that means. Cotton shrink, it's just a comfy fabric. It's nice. Supreme on the back. It looks kind of small, so no, not really. Maybe I'm just really fat, but oh well. But we're gonna try it out. It actually feels a lot more cropped than I thought it would. It actually goes, I thought it would be longer than the shirt, but it actually isn't. I think it's a good thing that it is. I don't know, but let's zip it up. Guys, how does it look? How does it look? Are we liking it or are we not liking it? You know what? I kind of fuck with it. I like it. I love the S on the front. You got a big Supreme on the back. I'll need to see it in the mirror, but yeah. Or I'll just watch this video. You bought this? I'm gonna look in the mirror. And yeah, the blue on my t-shirt doesn't really help, but it is nice. I like it. I like it. I think when I eventually, you know, lose 20, 40 pounds, and I think this would actually look pretty good. But yeah, I'm liking it. I'm gonna keep it for now. Who knows, in the future, it might actually go for a lot of money, and if it does, you know, I'll sell this bad boy if it does. But yeah, sick piece. Let's move on to the next item. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is, I believe, the Tyler the Creator tee. We do have another green box logo, which is nice. I've gotten like 5 of these, so that, or 6 actually, I don't know. But yeah, we got the... Oh, we didn't get a... We got the Tyler the Creator tee, as you can see. This is the white one in extra large. Really dig it. I really think these might do really well, but they're doing not too bad on the market at the moment. People were expecting these to do a lot more, but I wasn't really expecting these to do as much as, you know, what people expected, but they're not too bad. I actually like it. I think it's a nice t-shirt. I'm not sure about the photo on the tee. It could have been a bit better, but you know, it's still a photo tee at the end of the day. I like it. Not too bad. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what items did you get for your Supreme Week 1? Did you get them yet? Have they been delivered? And do you like it? So yeah, and I'll see you guys in another video. I'm planning on doing another video in regards to best items on Supreme fall winter preview. There's a lot of things that I actually kind of like, a lot of things that I originally didn't like, but now I actually kind of like gone backwards, and I'm actually thinking, yeah, these are actually really nice pieces. So I'm gonna make a video on that. So yeah, that might be quite a long one, but yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys on the video. Peace.